Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix the missing chat history sync now in Messenger. It's actually a very simple tutorial, so make sure you hit the like button and appreciate the effort because I'm doing this on a Sunday. So you want to do what you want to do is obviously go on Messenger. There's a few things you need to do. The first thing you want to do is go over to your settings. When you click on the three dashes at the bottom left corner, from there you want to click on the Gauge icon or the settings icon, and you want to navigate to privacy and safety. From privacy and safety, you want to click on end-to-end encrypted chat. Here you want to click on message storage, and if you have chat here, you can actually delete it. You just click delete secure storage, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. If you don't have it yet, or another option is to just sync it. But if you don't want to do that, just enter your PIN and remove it. That's pretty much it. Hit the like button and see you next one.